Right, geography class, I'm going to go ahead and do some explanations related to the assignment. It's called Northern Plains Location, excuse me, Northern Plains Vacation and GPS Locations. Now, basically, this is going to be a little exercise in using a map program, and we're just going to use Google Maps. And for this assignment, you can do that. So again, I'm on page 62 in your blue spiral notebook. And I'm looking at, first of all, Northern Plains Vacation. You might say, well, how do I do this assignment? I'm sure some of you have probably done this. But go ahead and open up Google. And I'm on Google here, and I'm just going to go Maps. Google Maps. And I'm just going to search Sunshine Bible Academy. You can see it in the pull down there, probably. And there we are. Now, if I want to find, now it says on your sheet there for trip number 1, you're going from SBA to Fort Abraham Lincoln in Mandan, North Dakota. So we could do that. I'll let you do that one. Let's say we're going to take a trip to Chicago. You simply go over here to directions. And you can flip this. You're going to go from you just type in Chicago. Chicago, Illinois, it'll give you the map there, but you can look at different routes and see how far it is. So if you take the prescribed route here, it's 726 miles, and then you could just write that in. So really, for your assignment, all you have to do is go into the directions. I'll go ahead and close this out, and we'll go back here, SBA. You just go to directions, and type in whatever location that you want to go to. Miller. And it's 13.2 miles right up there. Okay, the map part doesn't matter so much, but the miles do. Now, to do the second part of the assignment, we'll close out of this. Let's say, well, for example, the first item is, I believe, what, Los Angeles, California. And so you want to find the position of Los Angeles using GPS coordinates. There's a really easy way to do this. And you can see it on the screen now if you're paying attention, but if we'll go ahead and do Los Angeles. When you do a Google search, now this is focused on a specific point, but when you do a search on a place, the GPS location is given right up here in the URL. So here it says google.com/maps/place Los Angeles, so on. And then it says at, and this is its location in terms of its latitude and longitude. The highlighted portion, it's at 34.0207305 north latitude, because you're north of the equator. And every one of those places will be north of the equator on your assignment. And then that negative sign means that it's west. Now, if there were no negative sign, that would be a place that would be 118 degrees east of the prime meridian. Did I say equator? I meant prime meridian. So Los Angeles is 118.69, so forth, degrees west of the prime meridian. You may recall the prime meridian is 0 degrees longitude. The equator is 0 degrees latitude. So in doing the reading, we always do the latitude number first. So Los Angeles is 34.0207,305 degrees north latitude, and it's 118.6919,289 degrees west longitude. And again, the negative sign simply means it's west of the prime meridian. Now, one other thing I would say, in the example that I gave you on the form, on the document that I gave to you, distributed to you, that you'll actually type the answers in on, it gives the example of SBA being at 44 degrees, 19 minutes, 43.3482 seconds north. Now, it doesn't matter to me whether you put that in this format or in degrees, minutes, and seconds. For those of you that would rather put it in the form as it's given in the example, if you want to convert this number here, you would go to the link that I provided below for the assignment. You can go to that page and simply dump these numbers in, this number for latitude, for the latitude reading, and it will convert it to minutes, degrees, minutes, and seconds. And you could do this also here for the longitudinal reading. Okay. It doesn't matter either way. Now you might be wondering what is this about degrees, minutes, and seconds? Well, that simply has to do with the measurement of an arc. The Earth is spherical or circular, as we know and we've talked about. It's just a way that you measure it up. So a minute is 1/60th of a degree, second is 1/60th of a minute, and so forth. So you can express the answers in either form. Now, I don't want to get lost in the weeds here, but this expression here is simply, 34.02 is expressed in 100ths. Degrees are expressed in measurements of up to 60, but either way is fine. And again, the way you find this number is to do a search on a location. We'll do Miller. You can see Miller, South Dakota's lat long position is given right there in blue, 44.5215377 degrees north latitude and 99.0037396 degrees west longitude. So we are 44.5 degrees north of the equator, 99 degrees west of the prime meridian. Okay, so that's how you would do the readings. If you have any questions, let me know, but that should hopefully get you through how to do that assignment. Have a great day.